Hello, and we're still here at CES 2026, and I want to talk about a new NAS, but I want to talk about a NAS that's currently in development and is doing things a slightly different way to everyone else. This is the DIGIERA OmniCore device. Now, this is a compact 8-bay semi-NAS, semi-docking station. Now, this takes advantage of 8 2.5-inch injections here. These little bays are knocked all the way around. But what sets it slightly apart, and again, it's not going to be for everyone, is 4 of these are your traditional SATA SSDs. Standard 2.5-inch SATA, we're all familiar with them right there. But it's the top 4 bays that's intriguing. These ones here, if we open this up, feature bays for 2.5-inch SSD injection SSDs. Now, DIGIERA have several different kinds of them, and again, it does look like the bay and the fitting inside there can be modified, but at the very least they have a range of their own. Now, the reason that's important is because this is a system designed around the idea of content creators, collaborators, photo video editors, either on their own or in a larger group, on the go, getting the job done, backing up the data onto the drive, and then slamming that drive inside there by the available slot. Then they go make a coffee. Maybe they go and have a beer. You know, I'm not judging. But from there, it then opens up several different things. Number one, it then introduces that drive into that local area network, taking advantage of 2.5 gigabit network port and a single 1 gig there for failover, as well as a network management port, and also Wi-Fi 6 integrated as well. Now, the 4 bays, the SATA ones there, they can be used for injecting drives. Alternatively, they can also be used to just be left inside there for backing up directly from the main 4 bays onto the base there. Now, it's going to be rocking out there saying it's still in development for about $599. So again, it's not going to be for everyone. It's a very unique proposition. It is very much a product targeted towards creators, targeted towards photo video editors, and not your traditional Plex NAS user. It does arrive with a fairly decent base level spec, albeit slightly efficient there, rocking out with that ROC chip, the RK 8-core processor we talked about before, alongside 16 gig of memory. I believe it's DDR4 memory for that matter as well. Now, the internal storage, there are 2 M.2 NVMe bays based there at the bottom. If we go for the other one there, we've got that with the bays removed. Now, one of these is taking advantage of 128 gig SSD there for caching. The other one is available for installing things like a TPU upgrade, one of those little Coral numbers that allows for integrated AI services. But because it's using that ROC chip processor, it means you still have the Edge AI base as well. 6 tera operations per second on that ROC chip means AI photo recognition, intelligent searches, RAG, semantic search, that kind of stuff. When you have a huge arrangement of photos and videos being backed up onto this over time, which you can then search intelligently for to retrieve. There's a mobile application alongside a desktop application in development as well. This product is still not finished. They may have had to make that abundantly clear, but I just really like that this is quite a unique proposition in the world of NAS, when normally there's brands like Blackmagic and brands that are deep in the world of photo and video post-production that charge an absolute mint for stuff like this, whereas this is bringing out an alternative that's pretty darn affordable. Now, I know the architecture towards those top bays is not going to be for everyone. Some of you, you're not going to take advantage of that. You're going to wish there was another 4 SATA bays there. The brand is still investigating feedback, apparently. I put forward a few different ideas about this with regards to perhaps integrated and automated backup towards the bottom bays. So at the moment, this is not the final product. But I will say that they are shooting for a very different kind of product, when right now in 2025 and early 2026, we have seen a number of brands just throw all kinds of S at the wall, trying to see what sticks in terms of the world of NAS. And it's just damn refreshing to see something new being attempted here. Is it going to change the world? Who's to say? The hardware architecture isn't going to be for everyone, but that price tag might be. And if you are a small photo video editor, this might be exactly the solution you've been looking for, when what you want to carry on the go is quick, easy DAS storage, but at the same time want the convenience of loading that semi-automatically into a NAS for sharing, for backups, for clients and more. But this has been the DIGIERA OmniCore. Again, still in development. Hopefully you'll learn more about it later in the year, but let me know what you guys think. No doubt the brand is going to be reading the comments as well. So if you've got feedback for this device, which again has yet to finish development, let them know. But that's the DIGIERA. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.